I'll take you through 6 accounting Q&A, basically true or false questions. Question 1. A tallied trial balance means that the books of accounts have been prepared as per accepted accounting principles. So if trial balance is tallying, whether we can conclude that books of accounts are prepared as per accepted accounting principle, for that answer is false. Because when trial balance tallies, what it communicates is books of accounts are arithmetically accurate. That's all. So trial balance basically checks the arithmetical accuracy. It means still there can be errors of principle, errors of omission, and they will not affect trial balance. Okay. So answer to this question is false. Question 2. The rationale behind the opening of suspense account is to tally the trial balance. That is, when we prepare the final accounts, there may be something which is not clear. I mean, there may be some amount, some balance which is not clear, and we generally park them in suspense account. So the question is, why we are parking it in suspense account? Is it basically to tally the trial balance? Answer is false. Here the rationale is not merely tallying the trial balance, it is rather to avoid the delay in preparation of financial statements. Okay. Question 3. Reducing balance method of depreciation is followed to have a uniform charge for depreciation and repairs and maintenance together. So by following written down value method, are we trying to have a uniform charge on depreciation and repairs and maintenance? Is it true? Answer is yes, it is true. See, if you take the early period, that is when you acquire a fixed asset, and if you take the early period, in that period repairs and maintenance will be very low because asset is new. But in the later period, that is when asset becomes old, what will happen is repairs and maintenance will increase continuously. So what this written down value method does is, in the initial period there will be more depreciation on that fixed asset, and in that period obviously there will be less repairs and maintenance. And as per this method, in the later period there will be less depreciation, but there is going to be more repairs and maintenance. So if you look at the impact is this depreciation and repairs and maintenance becomes more or less uniform, because in the initial period more is provided in the form of depreciation, and in the later period more is provided in the form of repairs and maintenance. So it becomes more or less uniform throughout the useful life of the asset. So that's why we say this reducing balance method, that is written down value method of depreciation, is followed to have a uniform charge for depreciation and repairs and maintenance together. Question 4. A partnership firm can acquire fixed assets in the name of the firm. Is it true? Answer is false, because a partnership firm cannot acquire assets in firm name because it is not a separate legal entity. It can acquire assets only in the names of the partners. Question 5. The debit notes issued or used to prepare sales return book? No. Answer is false. The debit notes issued or used to prepare purchase return book only. Question 6. The results and position disclosed by final accounts are not exact. That is, whatever the results we see, that is profit or loss, and whatever the position, the financial position we see in balance sheet, they are not exact, because this is the result of the final accounts. But this statement says that profit, that financial position is not exact. Is it true or false? Answer is true. It's because final accounts are prepared on the basis of assumptions, conventions, concepts, and personal judgments of the person who is preparing that. Okay, so because of these reasons, we say the results and position that are disclosed by the final accounts are not exact. Thank you for watching this video. Hope you liked it. If you wish to learn more on this topic, do check our comprehensive online course. I have given the link in the description below. If you like this video lecture, do not forget to click on that like, share and subscribe button with bell icon.